Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance 7 Shocking Airport Tricks Thieves Use, TSA Won't Tell You. Airports are hubs of activity, but they're also prime hunting grounds for thieves who exploit the chaos, crowds, and travelers' distractions. While the Transportation Security Administration, TSA, focuses on screening for prohibited items, their protocols don't always address the cunning tactics of thieves, both outsiders and, in rare cases, insiders. Below are 7 alarming ways thieves target travelers at airports, along with practical tips to protect yourself. This information draws from real-world accounts and security insights, including reports of theft and traveler experiences. Distraction at security checkpoints. Thieves often work in teams at security screening areas, where travelers are preoccupied with removing shoes, belts, and electronics. One thief may engage you in conversation, or cause a delay, perhaps by accidentally dropping items or triggering a scanner alarm, while an accomplice snatches valuables from trays. Small items like wallets, phones, or jewelry in open bins are easy targets. In crowded checkpoints, a thief might grab your item and pass it to a partner before you notice. Tip: stay vigilant. Place valuables like phones and wallets inside your carry-on before reaching the checkpoint. Wait to send your bag through the scanner until you're ready to walk through the metal detector, ensuring you can keep an eye on it. If traveling with a companion, have one person clear security first to watch your items as they exit the scanner. Luggage carousel, snatch and grab baggage claim areas are chaotic, and thieves exploit this. They target plain, unmarked suitcases, especially black ones, blending in as fellow travelers. A thief might grab your bag and walk away, banking on the confusion to avoid suspicion. Some pose as travelers, casually taking a bag and exiting before you realize it's gone. Seattle reported 214 luggage thefts in a single year, with other major airports like Las Vegas and Atlanta also seeing frequent incidents. Tip: use distinctive luggage tags or straps to make your bag stand out. Arrive at the carousel promptly and keep your eyes on it. If possible, use a carry-on to avoid checking bags altogether. Insider theft by airport staff. While rare, theft by airport employees, including baggage handlers or even TSA agents, is a real threat. Between 2003 and 2012, the TSA fired 381 officers for theft, with Miami, JFK, and LAX topping the list. Hidden cameras have caught baggage handlers rifling through luggage in secure areas, stealing electronics, jewelry, and cash. In one case, a TSA officer stole $800,000 worth of items over 4 years, exploiting lax oversight and learning to pick TSA-approved locks. Tip: never pack valuables in checked luggage. Use hard-sided bags with non-TSA locks for checked items, as TSA-approved locks can be easily opened with widely available master keys. Keep high-value items in your carry-on and monitor it closely. Pickpocketing in crowded terminals. Crowded terminals are a pickpocket's paradise. These blend in, targeting distracted travelers juggling bags, phones, or tickets. They look for those who appear overwhelmed or display expensive items like designer bags or watches. A quick bump or brush in a busy concourse can result in a stolen wallet or phone. Tip: keep your wallet in a secure, zipped pocket or money belt. Avoid flashing expensive items. Stay aware of your surroundings, especially in packed areas like food courts or boarding gates. Theft from overhead bins and seat pockets on planes. Thieves posing as passengers may rummage through overhead bins or seat pockets during boarding or deplaning. Items like tablets, phones, or jewelry left behind are easy pickings. A former airport worker admitted to stealing from seat pockets, noting that passengers often forget items, making it easy to avoid suspicion. Tip: keep all valuables on your person during the flight. Check your seat pocket and overhead bin before deplaning to ensure nothing is left behind. Scams posing as airport staff. Thieves sometimes pose as airport employees or security personnel, offering assistance to gain access to your belongings. They might ask to inspect your bag or distract you while an accomplice steals from your luggage or pockets. These scams are more common at international airports with less stringent oversight. Tip: verify the identity of anyone claiming to be staff by checking their badge. Politely decline unsolicited help and keep your bags close. If an official requests to inspect your bag, ensure it happens in your presence. Exploiting unattended belongings. Unattended bags at cafes, restrooms, or gates are magnets for thieves. A moment's distraction, checking a phone or grabbing a coffee, gives a thief an opportunity to snatch your bag. Thieves target travelers who seem distracted or leave bags momentarily unsupervised. Tip: never leave your belongings unattended, even for a second. Use a bag with a crossbody strap or keep it on your lap in public areas. If you must step away, ask a trusted companion to watch your items. Protecting yourself. General strategies to minimize risks. Adopt these habits. Use tamper-proof bags. Opt for hard-sided luggage with clasp closures instead of zippers, which can be easily breached. Pelican cases with tamper seal hasps are highly secure. Join trusted traveler programs. TSA pre-check or global entry can streamline screening, reducing time spent in chaotic checkpoints. File claims immediately. If you suspect theft, report it to the TSA and your airline promptly. Check travel insurance or credit card benefits for compensation. Claims may take up to 6 months, so document everything. Stay low profile. Avoid flashy luggage or visible wealth to deter thieves looking for high-value targets. Airports are designed for security, but thieves thrive in the gaps. By staying alert, securing valuables, and using smart luggage choices, you can significantly reduce your risk. The TSA's focus is on preventing terrorism, not petty theft, so it's up to you to stay one step ahead of these scary tactics. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.